This video is actually a request, and I'll be showing you guys how to do your baby hair. So whether relaxed, natural, or even your frontal, I have a lot of videos compiled into one just to show you guys how to do your baby hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Louis. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do your baby hair effortlessly like a pro. So I'll be showing you guys like easy step on how to do your baby hair, and I'll be showing you guys the products I use to achieve a flawless baby hair. So if you're interested in knowing how to do it, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like my videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I post a video. So I'll see you guys in this video.
First off, I have my got-to-be gel and also my got-to-be spray and then shine jam. So I have my edge control brush. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys kind of hair we're working with. So I'm going to spray my got-to-be spray on the hair and then get my hand dryer and make it tacky or sticky rather. Then after that, I'm going to just get my gel and then apply it and go for the kind of style I am supposed to do for my client.
Like that.
So for this other part, we'll be making the hairline look fuller. So I'm going to use my got-to-be spray first and then get my mascara. So you can use any brand of mascara you want to use. Then after that, I'm going to get my brush and then blend it in. Sorry guys, this particular one I did here is actually too much, but it's always advisable to like put it, like thin layers first and then blend it with your brush. Going to be doing mild baby hair for frontals, so I'm just going to take out a little just as required by my client because she said she doesn't want it looking too busy. So I already took out 3 as seen in this video, so I'm going to apply my got-to-be gel on the 3 of them I brought out. So now I'm going to go with my edge control brush. So you can use your toothbrush or as a substitute, rather, a brush that you're no longer using, or you can just buy a toothbrush and then convert it into your edge control brush. So then after pushing it in, I'm just going to get my spray and then spray it on it and get my hand dryer and dry it so it can sit properly. Then after that, you can now tie it down with a scarf or a wrap paper. So now this part, I know it sounds really crazy, and no baby hair, there's actually a no baby hair. So this means you're going to like leave out tiny hairs in front and just use your gel and control it. So after that, you're still going to spray just like I did in the first part of this video. So after that, get your hand dryer and dry it, and voila, you're good to go. Up next here, I am working with an overly plucked hair. So my bride required a baby hair, so we're just going to do something mild and something more natural. So I'm going to apply my gel just as seen in the first part of this video, and then use my brush to like make a sweep. So now I'm going to do that for that part, and then do for the side jars, and then spray it, and voila, we're good to go.
Hi guys, welcome back once again. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to leave your request in the comment box so we can all treat it. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I post a video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.